We introduce several operating modes of the machine. The first button is the B, which is B mode. We can adjust the focus position and dynamic range. The next button is color, which is color flow display. In the color flow mode, the sampling frame can be adjusted by moving the mouse. Press the button Set when we have determined the location. Then we can adjust the sampling frame size, then press Set. PW is spectral Doppler. After scanning the image, move the green cursor to where we want to measure. Press the button angle, then rotate middle knob to adjust the angle of the green sampling line. Press the quickie key to off PW gate to adjust sampling volume. Press the button Update. The associated ultrasound Doppler of the measured portion is shown below. The button Power, which represents the presence of red blood cells, the amount of red blood cell aggregation, represents the amount of energy, and the color is also different. Beside button Power is button M, which is B plus M mode. The sampling line can be moved by using a trackball. The button C is tissue harmonic imaging. The imaging effect is increased. Introduce this area. Set is the confirm button. The button Measure is for measurement. The button Update can used in different state as update the new data. For example, if in RB mode, after one B mode display, press Update, the second B mode is shown on the screen. The button Text is for annotation. The button Clear is for cleaning the marks on the screen. The button Back is go back to the last step. The button Depth for adjusting the depth of the image. Press the button Arrow. The arrow mark will be displayed on the screen. The mark direction will be changed by rotating the knob. Press Body Mark. Move the trackball to pointed mark, then press the button ACT. The body mark will be shown on the right corner of the screen. We can choose several the needed body mark at the same time. Zoom is multiplication rate key. Press Angle. We can adjust the angle of sampling line.